Uzalo actress Modongwe Zoma Magubane's improved salary revealed. Actress Zoma Magubane Onkobo plays the role of Modongwe on SABC1 hit soap opera Uzalo. The Modongwe character is a devoted Christian and sits on the board of Komoshu Kingdom Church KCC. She stays with her daughter Lily, nephew Njiza and niece Nonka. Modongwe befriends Momadlola, and they are known as gossip mongers of Komoshu. Over the Uzalo storyline, Modongwe previously engaged and later separated from Batha, a hot-headed manipulative leader in KKC. During their engagement, Modongwe borrowed money from a loan shark, Mothabith Pamela Kotsi, and bought herself an engagement ring, a debt which haunted her for the rest of her life. After marriage plans fell through, Modongwe was left to bear the debt burden alone. The Mothabith debacle led to the accidental stabbing of Nonka while the loan shark was collecting her dues. When Nonka returned from the hospital, she evicted Modongwe and Lily from her parents' house. The desperate pair seek refuge in Pastor Gwala's house and competition for his attention sets in. Modongwe salary on Uzalo. Born in Madideni, Newcastle, Zoma Magubane grew up in Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal. She started acting early and participated in primary and high school plays. She attained a drama and performing arts degree at Durban University of Technology DUT. Zoma joined Uzalo as a church extra and worked her way up to secure the leading role. Initially paid R16,000 for her Modongwe role, she recently signed an improved contract of R21,000 per month. What's next for Modongwe on Uzalo? Having been legally evicted from the Shulu house by Nonka, Modongwe and Lily seek refuge in Pastor Gwala's place, and tension is already brewing between the two visitors. Is Modongwe's dream to become Momfandisai already in motion? Will she grab the opportunity and prove herself to the single pastor? Will Lily stand in Modongwe's way, having already shown interest and made moves towards the bachelor? Lily sets to upset Modongwe's plan. Leave your comments in the comment video below. Don't forget to share with your family and friends.